Hello, I'm Anne. Before we start, what is it? Yes, it is workout. Then, do you know how much it is? Yes, it is 1,500 won. But interestingly, it was 300 won in the 80s. Things are getting more and more expensive as time goes on. And people might be curious why this happens. The technical term for this is inflation. And as inflation is closely related to our lives, I want to talk about it. First, how it works. Inflation happens when demand is higher than supply. Let's see an example for it. I'm sure that everyone knows Pokemon bread, right? The original price for this was 1,500 won, but it became 5,000 won between people. This is because people who wanted to buy the bread was more than the bread. So people had to pay extra money for this. So the bread became very expensive. It is a cause of inflation. Second, when the materials price increases. If this happens, things are getting expensive too. People need to pay extra money. Then the amount of money in the market will be increased. Then money will no longer be rare. It can be explained by the value of money has decreased. Then how it affects people. Let's think about a situation. If you have a 1 million won right now, but it will value 800,000 won after 5 years. Then, do you guys want to spend it or save it? Of course, it will be better to spend it. Then people who have real assets like buildings will earn a lot of money because although the value of money changes, the value of real assets doesn't change. But people who are a salaried employee will be hard to live because their income doesn't change although things getting expensive. The gap between the rich and the poor will widen. Then how to solve it? First, the government can reduce their spending. For example, they can stop their repairing things. Second, the central bank can encourage people to save by raising the interest rates. Then people save their money in the bank. The main point of these are to reduce the amount of money in the market. Then what can we do? What we can do is the same. By consuming reasonably, we won't waste our money and reduce the amount of money in the market. With those attempts, we can stop the inflation. Thank you.